Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Jessie's wig once again. This is the packaging and this is how it looks. So there's the wig inside of the box, as well as just a few goodies, a scrunchie and a pair of wig caps. Now this is today's wig, which I'm so excited about because immediately after pulling this out the package, it was so flowy, as you can see, very silky, very soft. This is Jessie Wig's Yuri 7x5 glueless French bob wig with curtain bangs, layered cut bob. It's a pre-cut lace, pre-cut, pre-everything. Okay, as you can see, I'm showing you it's pre-bleached, pre-cut, and there's an adjustable elastic band added. The ear portion is curved, okay, so it sits comfortably on your head. It has 3 combs inside the cap, which ensures security. You can adjust this elastic band like I'm doing here, which, you know, makes it really secure on your head. It's non-slip, so that makes it really convenient to wear, especially in this heat. Come on, no, all we're doing this summer is glueless wigs, guys. That's all I've been doing, at least. Like this wig though, let's talk about how it just fell right into place once I slip it on. Like, look at that. It comes layered, everything is pre-done, as I said. Look at that, the lace looks well melted, you know. To know that this is completely glueless and pre-customized from jump is so comforting. This is what the girlies need. Look at that fall. Oh my gosh, I love this bob. I fell in love immediately. The movement of the hair, the way they cut this bob, it is giving. I love it. It's not like your typical bob that's just like straight and fall straight. Like, it comes straight out of the package in a way where it frames your face. Okay, that is a 10 out of 10, and I got no shedding from this wig, by the way. I mean, it's a bob. Usually these type of wigs don't shed as much as a regular wig because they're shorter, but as you can see, I was feeling it. I was shaking my head from side to side, so you see how secure the wig is on my head. It's not slipping, it is snugged and on there. Okay, I was basically telling you guys that this is like a 10 out of 10 for sure. It is. I highly recommend, and I'm showing you guys that it's glueless. Absolutely no adhesive on that. It's breathtaking. It is breathtaking. I love it. So I'm showing you that you can actually switch up the parting if you wish. So if you want to do a side part, you can do that. If you want to do a little style in there, you can do that. You know, the lace is giving scalp. They took their time when they were customizing this. Okay, I cannot complain. It looks so good. So pretty much what I did move on to doing is getting my hot comb and my flat iron just to refine the wig a little bit. You literally could just rock it like this. Literally, there's nothing else you need to really do, but I just wanted to get the top even flatter, and I went in with my flat iron to just kind of give the curve, like the bang area, more of a curve in the front. And that's what I'm doing in this portion of the video. I'm just pretty much taking my time to kind of refine the styling. But as I said, if you want to go ahead and wear it as is straight out of the box, go ahead. It comes completely pre-done. But yeah, I was just going through the wig hair thoroughly.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
And that's it. That's it. It's looking so good. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, guys. All the specifications will be listed. Any deals that may be going on right now will be down below. Any sale, anything like that, it will be down below. Shout out to Jessie's wig once more for today's bomb bob look. I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.